Clever Fox Budget Planner will help you manage your finances easily by setting the right financial goals and planning every step towards achieving them. It will transform your approach to budgeting, taking the stress and guesswork out of money management. This planner comes in a standard A5 size and measures 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. The cover is made from our special vegan leather, a durable protective layer for the thick, no-bleed 120 GSM paper pages inside. It features 3 colored bookmarks, a back pocket, a pen loop, and an elastic closure. Inside, you will also find 2 sheets of stickers and an illustrated user manual to help you get the most out of using this planner. To kickstart your success, we begin with a financial goals spread to set up to 10 life goals focused on financial growth. Use the page on the right to create a mind map of achieving these goals. Next, focus on your strategy. Consider if you need to learn any new skills. Write down some powerful money affirmations and list the actions necessary to increase your income and decrease your expenses. To make planning easier, make a list of important dates and deadlines throughout the year. There are 12 monthly sections in this planner, making it an excellent tool for annual budgeting. An important feature is that it is undated, meaning you can start using it anytime and take a break without wasting pages. Begin every month by filling out the monthly planning page, where you can state your goals for the month, create a checklist with crucial tasks, and keep track of your income and savings. There is also a monthly calendar to mark tasks, deadlines, and important dates. Then, create a detailed monthly budget based on 8 key spending categories. You can later compare it to your actual spending and see how well you did. There are 4 pages for tracking your day-to-day expenses, so you will have plenty of space to record everything. When the month ends, fill out a monthly budget review to analyze your performance and find new ways to improve. At the back of this planner, you will find plenty of other tools to make budgeting as easy as it gets. There are 8 savings and 12 debt trackers, a holiday budget spread, a regular bill tracker, an annual summary, a check register, and a separate spread to store and organize your account information. With all of these, you can take complete control of your personal finance and achieve financial stability for years to come, one page at a time. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.